Hello everyone, it's Hansika and today I am going to show you my English portfolio activity which is here. So let's see what is this. Hope you like my activity. So friends, I will give you idea that how I made this file. Firstly, you have to cut some flowers with the help of paper and then cut some glitter sheets in round circle shape, small, large, and then you have to make them fluffy with the help of press. तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप क्या लेंगे, आप एक प्रेस लेंगे और उसको ऑन कर देंगे. जब वो हीट अप हो जाएगी तो आप उन सर्कल्स को उस प्रेस के ऊपर रख देंगे. वो भी जिस साइड ग्लिटर नहीं है उस साइड से इस ग्लिटर शीट को आप रखेंगे जिस साइड ग्लिटर नहीं है. देन आप देखेंगे कि वो फ्लफी होने लगेंगे. तो आपके स्टोन्स क्रिएट हो जाएंगे जैसे मैंने ये बाहर लगाए हैं. सो ये स्टोन्स क्रिएट हो जाएंगे. देन आपको वो प्रेस से उतार लेने हैं. आप प्रेस पे डायरेक्ट हैंड नहीं लगाएंगे. आप प्रेस को टेढ़ा करेंगे तो आप नीचे गिर जाएंगे और फिर उसको आप फेविकोल की हेल्प से कहीं पे पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आप ऐसे कोई भी शेप बना सकते हैं. हार्ट्स बना सकते हैं, स्टार्स बना सकते हैं. सो हियर आई हैव यूज्ड सम माय ओल्ड ड्राइंग्स which I have taken from my old class books, so you can also take them. So here I have created this page by pasting some printing pages, etc. Here I have shown my creativity, a little bit creative, so you can show a creativity. You can learn how to make origamis. So I have used 2 to 3 different type of origamis here. You can also use them. Then on this page I have written the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is the most important part of portfolio. You shouldn't miss it because it itself contains the 1 mark from 5 marks. Then this is the index page of my portfolio. So index page should be some different kind. So I have made this origami, a large kind of origami in which I have written all the topics. I have 14 topics. So I have subtopics in them also, but I have written only the main topics. You can also create like this. So here I have made the origami opening, origami window opening. You know how to make this. If you don't know, then I will tell you in the next video. So these are some slips on which I have written some thoughts. So you can also take this idea. Thoughts can be written in any portfolio. So here is the tense and its types. So ये सब open होते हैं, ये origamis हैं और वो rose flower है. So इनको कैसे बनाना है I will explain you. So now this is the tense page. This is very easy. You have to write the types of tenses only and this page can be created easily. So here I have drawn a snowman and pasted some cotton to make it fluffy and look real. And then I have pasted some cuttings from my books above and written Unforgettable Winter 2020. We have to write any experience of ours. So I have written my 2 to 3 experiences here. I can write more too, but this is enough. poets and authors. So our teachers have suggested us that we have to write the name of poets and authors of all the lessons. So if the examiner see this, then she will be impressed by this thing. So you can also take this. So this is very easy to create. You can take a black chart paper and a yellow chart paper. You can make flowers with the help of yellow chart paper and paste it here, and then create some designs with the help of glitter pens and sketches. Now I have written all the names of authors, lessons, poets, poems. So here I have taken the old envelope. You can also take the old envelopes. So and I have made this sheet in which I have written my sweetest memories. You can also create any topic like this. अगर हम अपनी पोर्टफोलियो में अपनी पिक्चर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो थोड़ा इनोवेटिव और डिफरेंट लगता है. सो ये भी हमारे टीचर्स ने ही कहा था कि आप अपनी पिक्चर्स को ऐड करिएगा. सो मैंने अपनी पिक्चर्स को ऐड करा था, अपनी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज को, और उनके साथ उनका थोड़ा बहुत लिखा भी था कि ये किस पर बेस्ड है. So you can also take the idea of these pictures. You can also paste your pictures. So now I have shared my one again experience, which is my birthday experience. So here is the cake made by me. I have drawn this cake, and to make this innovative, I have pasted the glitters on it. Then I have written my experience. Then our teacher have suggested us to write the ASL topic, which we used to speak. So the topic given by my teacher to me is deforestation. Every student has its own topic. So my topic is deforestation. As roll number wise, this is my topic. So I have written about this. I have made a speech video also on this topic, as that also contained the 5 marks. So here I have written all the content and drawn some basic pictures in the back to show it different. So you can also draw the picture according to your content. My topic is deforestation, so here I have made the sad tree, and here the tree also bleeds, and here you should plant more and more trees in spite of deforestation. Now this is the thank you card made by me during lockdown for COVID-19 warriors, जैसे डॉक्टर्स हो गए, पुलिस हो गए. सो उनको थैंक करने के लिए हमने एक कार्ड बनाया था, तो वो मैंने इसके अंदर पेस्ट कर दिया. यू कैन पेस्ट एनी ऑफ योर क्रिएटिविटी, यू कैन पेस्ट एनी योर ड्राइंग वर्क ऑल्सो, बट नॉट मोर एज इट्स इंग्लिश पोर्टफोलियो, बट टू मेक इट क्रिएटिव you can add anything to it. So this is the thank you card. So here is the doctor's dress, and here is the police dress which I have made. This is a combination card. Then this is some quote. Then after this quote, I want to write my favorite poet, as my teacher has suggested that you can write your favorite poet, your favorite author, or favorite poem, favorite lesson. You can write anything. So I have written my favorite poet. My favorite poet is Robert Frost, as he is a romantic poet and he loves nature. So वो nature के ऊपर लिखते हैं अपनी poems. So उन poems को मैं बहुत like करती हूँ, जैसे Fire and Ice हो गई, Road Not Taken हो गई. Then I have written some amazing facts here. You can create this. I will show you that how to make this in the next video. So this is the origami. You can make this origami easily. So here I have pasted a printed doll. You can cut any kind of picture from your old books. So I have cutted this. Then this is a Santa Claus which I have cut from my old book. So and you can create this origami also. I will show you how to make this in the next video with others. So this is student life in COVID-19. Our teacher has suggested us that COVID-19 is a great times which is spent by us. This is a very, very different and an unexpected time ever. So I have written this essay on online learning and our COVID-19 time. So these are models. As models also come in our grammar, like tenses. So I have written about models here. Yes, I want to show you something that here I have made a cloud with the help of foam sheet. You can also use the old foam sheet of your cupboards and any new material if you bought from market, then the foam sheet comes with it. So I want to tell you that you can use that foam sheet in cutting clouds. You can use the black background and then paste these clouds in the above and then write some message with the help of silver glitter pen in the down. It will look very creative. Character sketch of Vanda. As I have teacher's guidance, our teacher have suggested us that we have to write the character of any girl like Vanda, Vali and Bholi, which is given in our learning and literature books. So I have written the character of Vanda as I liked her character very much. So this is the letter writing. Letter writing के बारे में मैंने letters तो नहीं लिखे हैं इधर, मैंने letters के format को लिखा है, because letter तो कई सारे होते हैं, तो मैंने उनके formats को लिख दिया है. यहाँ पे देखो मेरा है inquiry letter का format, then हमारा है pleasing order का format. You can write any format which your teacher have given to you. So this is a thank you page. You can also create this kind of thank you page or any other kind of thank you page. In my another video, I will also tell you that how to make different patterns on pages so that your pages will look innovative. Here I have used the waste material. Actually, these are the squares which were left when I made the origami of tenses. You can see back. And these are the leaves which I have cut it to make something different. But in the end, I decided that I will not use them. But I used them. So this is also looking nice. So this is all my English portfolio. You can also create like this. Thank you guys. If you like my idea of this file making, then please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel so that I will create more contents and they will reach you soon. सब्सक्राइब के पास बेल घंटी दी होगी, प्लीज उसको भी प्रेस कर देना ताकि मेरी सारी नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंच जाएं और आप और भी वीडियोस को जल्दी से जल्दी देख सकें. और प्लीज शेयर टू माय चैनल सो दैट आई विल बी मोटिवेटेड एंड विल क्रिएट मोर एंड मोर वीडियोस फॉर यू. सो दिस विल हेल्प मी इन इंक्रीजिंग माय सब्सक्राइबर्स टू. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई विल again bring these kind of videos for helping you guys. So please comment to my channel कि आपको मेरा portfolio कैसा लगा और आपको क्या चाहिए अगली वीडियो में। सो आपकी विशेज़ के अकॉर्डिंग, आपकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग मैं अपनी वीडियो को क्रिएट करूँगी। सो बाय बाय।